I will explain about a Notepad++. In this session, we will see about what is a Notepad++, what is a Notepad++, next, how to install Notepad++, next, how to code in a Notepad++. First, we will see about what is a Notepad++. A Notepad++ is an IDE. So, which is a IDE? IDE is meant for Integrated Development Environment. Yes, which is an environment a developer to code a program. Simply Notepad++ used to code for the programs, to write a programs. You can able to develop applications, but you can't able to compile the applications. You can't able to run the application, which has an IDE to develop a programs. That's it. So along with this Notepad++, there is a few other plugins. For example, comparisons, those things as well as. Okay, this is a Notepad++. Next, Notepad++ is a open source IDE. Anybody can able to download. There is a no license is required, which is a open source IDE. So let us install Notepad++. First, if you want to install the Notepad++, go here and search Notepad++. So it will show the link here. Click this Notepad++ link. Here you can able to see the different version. Which version I need to install? So as of your installations, whatever the version is going to show on the top, install that one. A version is not depend on a code. No need to worry about install any version. So I'm trying to install the latest version as per current date. Okay. Click on download. An exe file will be downloaded. Exe file is nothing but executable program file will be downloaded. Click on arrow, show in folder, double click here. It will ask for the prompt to, or you want to install? Yes. Which language you want to choose? I will choose the English. Click on OK. Next, I will agree the terms and conditions. Next, which is a path for any programming language. Okay, so it will take the 11 MB to install this program. Okay, so this is the my total space available for the C program. Next, so here whatever you want, you can able to check mark it. As I said, right, Notepad++ contain the plugins to comparisons, whatever it is, whatever you can able to check it. So better to check everything. Click on next. If you want any shortcut, click this check bar, install. It will take a few seconds to install. Finish. My Notepad++ is installed. So once it is installed, automatically this will open. Change log. So it will give the information about what is the latest version and the features involved. So my version is the version 8.3.2. Okay. So whatever the version you can able to install. No, I will explain the toolbar. Here you can able to see the rich toolbar, file, edit, search. If you want to view, encode languages, settings, tools, macro, run, plugins, window. So in the file where you can able to find a save. If you want to open any program, different options are there. Okay. Now we will see how to code by using the Notepad++. In the languages, if you see here, it will support from A to B. So this is the order of the program. For example, I want to go with ASP here. Next, I want to go to the HTML. HTML means it will start with the H. Now go to your H. HTML or Haskell. I want to choose HTML. Whatever the language. For example, I want to choose the JavaScript. Yes, JavaScript. Next, I want to see the CSS. Here, you can able to see the CSS. I want to see the C#. Here, you can able to see the C#. So let me take a one language C#. So once I select the C# language, automatically the file will be formatted according to C#. So let me give a simple example with a C# program. So using, see here, once I select the language, you can able to get these automatic prompt, which are specific to the C# only, which are not specific to the HTML, not specific to the Java, not specific to the other language. Why? Because I have chosen the C# using system. Next, I want to give the namespace. Namespace is the example program. Next, I want to create a class. See here. So how the intelligence is came here. Class, and then I will give the class name. So this is the way we need to use the Notepad++ with the C language. Okay, but how to run this one? Again, you require the Visual Studio Editor. So a C# is a part of the .NET. Okay, so let me take a new. Let me close this one. I'm not saving the previous one. Now I will code for the HTML. Let me choose a language as H for HTML. Okay, so let me code this HTML. So current version of HTML is the HTML5. So if you want to use the HTML5, even though all latest browsers will support HTML5. So this doc type is the instruction for the code is the HTML5. Next, start with the root tag. What is a root tag? HTML is a root tag. When you start any tag, end immediately. Next, HTML contains the two sections, which is the head section. So here I am starting the head, closing the head immediately. Head section. Second one is the body section. So the head is a place to write a meta information. Meta is meant by either if you want to write scripts, if you want to write a styles, if you want to add a links, everything will be added in the head section. So in the body section, the content will be represented. First, HTML program. Let me save this one. So I will save. If you want to choose here, or else you can able to create any folder, specific folder. Here I want to create a index. So automatically it will select for HTML because you taken the language of HTML, right? That's why. If you want to change any type here, you can able to change. Instead of HTML, you can able to change. But my program is specific to HTML. I want to save with .html. No need to change this one. Don't change this one. Click on save. Program is saved. Can I run the program? Yes, I will run a program. Let me go here, index file. Double click. First HTML program. Next, I just changed the text and save it. Let me go to the browser. No need to open again. Once you open the HTML program in a browser, simply click F5 or else select here and press enter. So this is the way we need to use Notepad++. Okay, that's it about Notepad++.